Hey guys, welcome back. So if you have just finished your edit and you are wondering how to export it without losing quality, this is the exact method I use. It gives great results and keeps the final file size under control. Let's get started. Once your edit is finished in After Effects, press Ctrl plus M on your keyboard. This will send your composition to the render queue. Under render settings, make sure best settings is selected. Then click on Output module, change the format to QuickTime and under Format options, select Apple ProRes 422 HQ. After that, choose where you want to save the file and hit render. Let After Effects do its thing. Now once the render is done, open Handbrake and import the file you just exported. For the Handbrake settings, here's what I use. Preset Production Max, Constant Quality 20, Encoder preset Very Slow, Encoder level 5.2. Once you have entered those things, click Start Encode and wait for it to finish. And that's literally it. These are the export settings I use for most of my edits and they give me a really good balance between quality and file size. I hope this helped you out. If it did, a like would be appreciated and feel free to subscribe if you want more editing tutorials like this. Also let me know in the comments what tutorials you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, take care and I will catch you guys in the next edit.